This is South Wales turf and topsoil supply, and this is their magic blend, and full of nutrients, and your plants are really going to grow into this, so they tell me. So we're using this. You can see it's nice and easy all the way down, nice and fluffy, breaks up. Let's see. Well, it's a warm one today, and I've got my shirt on. Just make sure that you cover up, look. Look, we're getting to the process now, the stage now where we're finishing this garden makeover. It's taking some time because of lockdown and trying to get materials and wet weather, etc. But have a look. If you remember the video of the porcelain paving, where you can actually see the circle, and we've got the paving within the circle at diagonals, and we've got this picture frame going round on this side. There's a client over there. There he is, social distance, and there's Richard. Richard,
hello world.
I didn't expect you to be there. Then come and have a look, because this is really good. This is so important, because we haven't quite finished yet, have we? It's the finishing touches now, isn't it?
Yes.
What do you reckon of it?
Oh, it's all right. No, it's a grand job. Very grand.
Yeah. It's looking good, isn't it?
It's looking amazing. Yeah. Really happy.
I think that's the thing, Rich, is like working with you, and you know, and it was so important that we listen to your requirements, what you want, that finishing detail, and it's made a big difference to the job. And I just now, when we put the soil in, I had that feeling of here it is. It's
yeah.
Looking sharp, isn't it?
It is. Looking like I wanted it to.
Yeah. So the soil has come up. We get the soil at the right level. We've got the sleepers in, and you're going to be planting in the near future, isn't it?
I am indeed.
Yeah.
Big plans.
It's been difficult, Mike, because we had all the bad weather, didn't we?
Yep.
And the 2 metre rule that we've been going through this COVID-19, haven't we? Yeah, it's been awful, isn't it? It's been terrible,
It's been challenging.
Yeah, to say the least. Well, we're going to leave Richard there, so come and have a look around the garden. So if you look to the left-hand side, you can see this sort of, it's not meandering, curvaceous, raised bed, backfilled with a quality topsoil, artificial grass. Okay, we're not going to tell you where the grass comes from, because it's like as if I'm getting paid to say it. The artificial grass, what's it like, Rich?
It's really soft and really comfy.
And you've been doing the artificial grass test by having a roll around.
I have indeed.
Okay. I was naked at that point.
The neighbours wouldn't approve.
There's a couple of things we have to do, but I'm not going to rush it. We've washed down now. We've got the joints on this path we have to grout. And possibly, though this is the BSW timeless sleeper, we're actually thinking of maybe putting a stain on it so it all looks the same, but and make sure the end grain, the tops where they've been cut, that they're treated as well. So over here on this side we've got another little bit of grout, and I do apologise, I haven't washed that off yet, but we're having a water feature here, aren't we? So the water feature is going to be on this side here. What's the water feature going to consist of, Rich?
Oh, it's like it's about this big, and it's like a big cylinder, and then water sprinkles down in these little drops with an LED light at the bottom.
Oh, fantastic!
So it's not overly. It's quite simple in its design.
Right. Okay.
Which is what I like.
Simplicity is important, isn't it? Just come round here. You'll be able to have a look over here. So what we've got this really curvaceous shape of the path coming through. The path sort of, the decking dissects the path, sweeping over here. We have another circle on this side and another raised bed. If you look at the corner beyond, this is where the hot tub is going to be on this side. Yep. So Richard's having a hot tub on here, and again another raised bed. So hopefully all at the back there, we're going to have some real sort of really leafy, glossy green foliage, almost like as if it's that tropical feel, and it's an escape area where you can just come around and get in the hot tub and just relax. On here we've got the aero decking from BSW. This is in the driftwood, and it's great. It's simple in design again. We've just got it at right angles. You've got your furniture coming again soon, haven't you? So the furniture.
Shortly, yeah.
Yeah. What furniture have you?
Sofa, a rattan sofa.
As a wraparound, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And on the back we've got a 2x1. If you look from this side, you can see how good it looks from this side. We've got to cut the tops off. We've got to put a few more screws in. This is a 2x1 in the cladding in the dolphin colour. And we've got a few more screws obviously to go in on that side. We've got a couple of little areas we've got to touch up, cut the top off, and maybe another couple of pieces down the bottom. So all in all, we're not far from it, but we're still not finished. But I just want to give you a little teaser of what's to come. That's it. If you need any advice, or you just want to speak to Alison because she's a nice girl in the office, drop her an email at info@greentoplandscapes.co.uk, or you can give me a ring on 07795 595 994. And if you want a glowing endorsement, you need to get a client like Richard.
Yeah.